What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Who Dat Travel. Well, the weather is turning cold here in the Midwest, and so you know what? We are going to head back down to Florida. Now, you might be saying, hey, wait, didn't you just go to Florida? Yes, we did. However, it's getting cold here, so we want to go again. The secret to us going all the time is my wife and I both work from home due to the pandemic, so we can work from anywhere. So if we're going to work, well, we might as well work at the happiest place on earth. So we're going to head down to Chicago. Again, the weather is supposed to be turning kind of bad right now. As you can see behind me, we've got a little bit of snow still on the ground, but we're supposed to be getting some ice and some snow. So we're going to be going the day ahead of time. We're going to spend the night in Chicago, and then we will take off. And we just got some awesome news. We are being upgraded. So United, we are going to be in first class there. So we're going to we'll have you guys come along and watch this adventure as well. So the next time you see us, we're going to be in Chicago. Last night it did snow, as you can kind of see in the background here, and unfortunately, because it's the weekend, that van right there not going to the airport, which means that we are going to have to take our car and actually park at the airport, which makes it a lot harder because we have to get everything together. I'm going to drop off little man and the wife and then go park, then take the bus back and do all of that. So here we go. All right, so I dropped the little man and the wife off at the terminal. So it is my responsibility to get his seat here. And then I'm going to pack that in our stuff to put it in the check baggage, get my luggage, and meet him at the terminal. So we gotta go. All right, so I do have this giant backpack, which is little man's car seat. So we're gonna use that. We've got my my luggage, and we're heading to the bus. All right, so they do say that the buses come every 5 minutes. I've been here about 5 minutes already. They're a little bit slower than that. So I just missed a bus, of course, running up here. So we did make it into and through security. We actually are in the club right now, the United Club. So we're doing a little tour. It is absolutely empty. We were the only people in security, and really overall, yeah, we are almost the only people in here. So we'll show you around. So we do have a little bit of a problem. Little man fell asleep in the car on the way here for only like 10 minutes. So we are kind of fighting a nap time right now. He's not ready to go down again. So hopefully here before we leave, we'll get him down. Either that or maybe he'll sleep on the plane. That is the issue with having kids and travel. It's always a little bit of a gamble. So things are a little bit different here. The Coke and the cappuccino machines are open. They have the hot water. They also have the noodles, but the wraps and whatnot are gone this time. So a little bit different than in December when we went, just about 4 weeks ago. So hey, we'll still enjoy this. We did have the leftover pizza, so at least we had that. But just interesting how things have changed here in just a couple weeks. So for those of you who've watched the last videos, yeah, we need a few of these. Someone wants his cups. If you're traveling with a toddler, use everything that you can. The cups are a great toy. He loves these. We actually, in the middle of the pandemic, we dropped some. We got to get them. In the middle of the pandemic, we almost ran out of them at home. So we actually have some of these at the house. So we use our suitcases as a barricade to keep him in one corner. We kind of wish that Chicago had the kids area and the family area that MCO does, but we do the best that we can to entertain and to have them have some fun without disturbing everybody else. Uh-oh, yeah, you better pick up those cups, buddy. Look at those. All right, a little pro tip for the club. When little man goes to his nap, he doesn't always want to nap right away, so he kind of screams a little bit. So we've figured out use the phone room, and that way we don't bother any of the other guests. So we're going to close the door here, and it's time for a nap. So hopefully we'll get him asleep and he'll be all right. All right, so the plan was to take a nap in here, but little man all of a sudden found a little more energy. So napping, not an option. However, there is a lock on these doors. So he is free to roam in this little 6x6 cube and make noise and doesn't affect anyone else. So this may be our new spot to hang out and to just let him burn off a little bit of energy if he's not behaving, well, like a perfect gentleman. Because I'll be honest, I know he actually acts really well for 19 months old. You do really well, buddy. Can you wave hi to the camera? Yeah. All right, we'll keep an update and see how he does. Right, we left the club. Little man did not sleep, so we're hoping he sleeps on the flight. He is definitely tired. So we made it to our gate, just waiting to board now. Should be just 5 or so minutes, and we'll be on our way to Orlando. Are you excited, kiddo? Yeah. No, you don't know. I think by the time he gets there, he'll be excited. Little nap, refreshment, and we'll all be good to go.
To Orlando. We board the aircraft from the back to the front. So listen forward. We'll start like rows 39 and higher, and then we'll just keep making announcements what numbers we're boarding.
So I'm not gonna lie, at this point, social distancing is pretty much just going away. Now we absolutely take advantage of being able to board with a under 2-year-old to make sure that we can get settled. And that way, sometimes I can even get him asleep before we push back from the gate with minimal screaming. So we go ahead and do that. I know some people like to wait until last, but at that point, we aren't guaranteed to get our luggage on. We are in first class. We did get an upgrade, so we do board a little bit earlier there normally as well. So here we go. So the flight attendants have already been by and gave him a blue cup, and one was even nice enough that she had a flashlight on her lanyard that she gave to him, and he's playing with that. So he is a little grumpy and missing his nap.
To Orlando. As you take your seat, we are really trying to get this flight out on time, and we're going to need your help.
All right, we are at MCO and heading to our first tram. Not quite like the monorail, but close.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing.
Well, I had heard that the magic of Disney was open again, but it looks like it's still closed, so still sad. But happy that we are here and heading to baggage claim B and then over to Terminal A to get our car. So one of the best perks about having the credit card and also status are those little priority tags. Your bags actually normally come out first. So we tried something a little bit new because we forgot the baby Bjorn. I've got him in the stroller. I've got our 2 carry-ons, the big old backpack, and this is working way better than the stroller in the case. So we might go the accident, maybe in a happy accident. So we got to go get our car and get to Epcot. This is definitely the bonus of having fast break. I get to grab mine and go to the car, and we're in, so we'll get there quickly. All right, we are all packed up. We are ready to go to Epcot. That only took about 10 minutes, so here we go. We are excited to be here and get some food. So next stop is Epcot. A quick tip to save a little money for both ways. Most of the cars that are rented now have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So we're actually using Android Auto. We've also decided to not go for the toll system, which you see up there on the windshield. We actually just said avoid tolls. So that saves us about $100 actually. So it takes a little bit longer to get to Disney, but well, to save $100 and some odd dollars for a week, it's definitely worth it. Plus saving the money that they would charge you to have navigation in the vehicle. So
she put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up.
All right, we made it. There's Spaceship Earth in front of us. It is a little chilly tonight. We got little man in his hat. Wife's in hers too. But we're here and we're gonna go grab some dinner. It's been a long day of travel. Well, 2 days of travel. But seeing that always makes it better. All right, we are already through security. Security is an absolute breeze with the touchless now. If you have a stroller, you just park it there and then walk through. Even you bring your diaper bag if you've got one with you. It is absolutely great. So they have definitely improved that. So we are heading in now. All right. You waving, Bubba?
You got it, dude. You know what's going on.
There we go.
Most other people.
And the wife's in. Thank you. All right, the new fountain is absolutely beautiful at night. That changing lights down there. Just really cool against Spaceship Earth. This is our first time seeing it, and at night, I'm really glad it was at night. It is just really cool. All right, first stop on the request of the wife is at the refreshment port. We are heading for the lobster poutine. Sounds interesting, so we'll tell you how they are. I mean, all right, first bite. I think she took the biggest part of lobster, actually. All right, so how is it? All right. No words. She just keeps shoveling, so I think it was good. Little man, how's the fry? You like the fry? Do they approve? Yeah, I think he approves too. All right, I think this is my turn to get some. All right, those were actually far better than I anticipated they were going to be. There's some giant lobster chunks. We're going to eat kind of quickly and keep moving because we only have about 40 minutes left. And, well, we're hungry because we haven't eaten most of the day. They did give a little snack pack on the plane, but overall, they ran out of sandwiches for first class. So we can't complain. We were upgraded for free, but hey, it is what it is. Little man did sleep the whole way, which is great. So we're just having fun. We're happy to be home, happy to be at Disney. I'm hoping you're enjoying this because we are making it for you. So this is a Friday night, but it is definitely busier than the last time that we did this. There's a ton more people. Now this is a holiday weekend. We're here, the Martin Luther King weekend. So it's Friday night, and there's a lot of people at Epcot. I think that park hopping might have something to do with it as well. All right, so we have 20 minutes left. So we are stopping and getting the beef Wellington in the Americas. We'll let you know how that is as well. I'm not sure we're gonna have time for much more. Our shipped order is being shopped right now. We need to get to our hotel. So we'll see how we can do. Thank you so much. All right, looks great. All right, here goes. Really good. The rosemary, great, but we gotta hurry. All right, well, we made it to the hotel. We are checked in. Our shipped order did beat us here, but they kept it behind the counter for us. So, well, we're gonna head to bed and get ready for Magic Kingdom tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We enjoyed, even though things weren't always perfect, we still had a great travel day. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, smash that like button if that's what you're into, and of course it would help me if you subscribe. Well, have a great one. We'll see you real soon.
Ain't there nothing I can take a set. Leave us belly, leave us take a set. Ain't there nothing I can take a set.